but it's great that they're coming out
They
again.
completely went out of stock.
Yep. So there's 312T for Ferrari's coming out as well.
Oh, really?
That's a Renault.
Renault?
No, it's a Renault, isn't it? So this is the, what is it, RE-30?
RE-20 Turbo.
RE-20 Turbo.
Not to be mistaken with the RE-30.
With Photoetch parts, again. They're throwing them in.
Yeah. So this is another one of the early kits have done. They've put in the Photoetched fret, so quite a large fret. And also the Cartograf decals.
What's a fret?
Fret is the sheep.
Oh.
Yeah. So the decals are in Cartograf, which makes a big difference in a racing type car because the original decals that came with these were pretty average.
Were they?
Yeah, because you've got very large areas where you've got some fine pinstriping, like around here.
Yeah.
Is that because technology has changed?
I think so. And it's gotten to a point where Cartograf is just
The industry standard?
That's it. They've worked out how to do screen printing perfectly and really nice and thin.
Yeah.
And that after you apply them and use decal setting solutions, they don't fall apart or melt.
I know.
So they're really good. Once you're on, you can put a clear coat over them as well. And they're so thin that the clear coat covers them quite easily. You don't have that big step. Tamiya decals are renowned to be very, very thick. It takes a lot of clear coat to cover them.
Yeah.
But if you do that, it loses the scale effect of the car because it just looks like you've got like centimeters worth of paint on it.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Nice.
So
I'd like to see you do something like this.
Really?
What Photoetch is it?
So the Photoetch. Oh, I don't think they've done it on this box. This is very much the original box. They haven't
Original
added
box
any.
art.
Yeah.
Have you ever built one of these?
I've built some of the later cars. So the McLaren MP46, 12 scale. Done probably 3 of those. The Ferrari, that was a 641. Done a few of those. They were really good builds. And the Williams FW14B. Got a couple of that.
Yeah, that wasn't really so long ago, was it?
Mm. But those particular cars are really hard to come by now. So it's good to see this earlier stuff because these used to be absolutely everywhere in the 80s. Like every store had them. Kmart, everyone had them. And then when they discontinued them, you couldn't find them again. But it's great that they come out again.
They completely went out of stock.
Yeah. So the 312T for Ferrari's coming out as well.
Oh, really?
Around this sort of
They're
time.
going back to those as well.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So doing the same thing, Cartograf decals and also Photoetch for that too. And if you saw some of our posts from the recent Shizuoka fair, they're releasing the Tyrrells with the same sort of thing.
Yeah,
so the 6-wheeler, the what was the other one? I can't remember the number of it. 004, is it?
Oh, I remember seeing that sheet.
Yep. And then there's also the 20th scale 6-wheeler, which has got a huge Photoetch frets with it. Massive. They look awesome. So whether you like the smaller 120 scale or 112 scale, there's something coming out.
I'm so glad they're doing the Formula Ones again. Do you know how often people ask? You just can't get this stuff anywhere.
No. And that's because it's such an interesting build. So much that goes into them.
Yep.
And make it, because the cowling fits on top, making it all work. This is a ground effects car too. I think it's got the skirts on the sides.
Oh, beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a skirt there. Oh, interesting era.
We used to refer to it as a turbo era, but that doesn't really work anymore because it's now, I suppose it is the original turbo era. Now that's a hybrid era, isn't it?
Is it?
Oh, they're running like electric.
Electric and turbo and small motors.